Ah, my sisters, come closer. I have to let you in on a little secret, something that has been a total game changer for my day. You know those days, when you're running around from the office to the market, picking up the kids? By midday, you're just feeling sticky. Don't you just wish you could press a little reset button for yourself? Exactly. That midday feeling. We all know it. It's that moment you just need something, a little boost to help you face the rest of the day feeling, clean and just powerful. So lean in. Are you ready for this? Because I'm telling you, what I'm about to share with you, it really is a game changer for those moments. It's this little thing I now carry in my handbag everywhere I go. It's called Dadacare. And I'm not even exaggerating, it's a true lifesaver. Okay, so what is this magic, you ask? What makes it so special? Let's talk about the good stuff inside. First, there's this amazing traditional herb, Cnidium Monnieri. Now, what it does is soothe your skin like nothing else. And it's naturally antibacterial, so it keeps you feeling fresh and protected. And you know chamomile, right? Like the tea that calms you down? Well, this has chamomile extract, and it does the same for your skin. It's so, so gentle. Perfect for our most delicate areas. And listen to this. This is why I trust it. It's pH balanced, so it works with your body, not against it. There's no alcohol, so no stinging or dryness. It's hypoallergenic. It's just pure gentleness. So gentle you can even use it on a baby's skin. Imagine. So you might be wondering, when do I even use this? The answer? Anytime. Any moment you need it. This will become your secret weapon for a quick refresh, I promise you. Okay, picture this. You've just finished a workout, or maybe just a long walk in the hot sun. You use one of these, and instantly you feel cool, clean, fresh. That's what I call the post-gym glow-up. Or how about this one? It's 2 p.m. You have a big meeting. You've been running around all morning. You just duck into the washroom for a quick little reset, and you walk into that meeting feeling unstoppable, composed, confident, ready. And for my traveling sisters, we all know those long Tattoo rides, or being stuck on a plane. This is everything. It's that little touch of home, that feeling of clean that makes all the difference. And here's the beautiful part. It's not just for us. Because it's so gentle, it's perfect for the little ones too. It's something the whole family can use and trust. Now, this is the part that makes me really happy. Because taking care of yourself with Dadacare also means you're taking care of our Earth. It's a choice you can feel good about, inside and out. Okay, get ready for this number. How long do you think it takes for one of these wipes to just disappear in water? Just 1 minute. So let's break it down. Dadacare, it's made from plants, wood pulp actually, so you can flush it and it biodegrades. It's kind to the planet. Those other wipes? They're often made with plastic, they clog our pipes, they sit in landfills forever. For me, the choice is, well, it's obvious. And using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just tear open the little packet, unfold the wipe, use it, and then flush the wipe. Simple. Just remember the little packet itself goes in the bin, okay? So what does this all come down to? It's really simple, my sisters. When you feel fresh, you feel confident. The two go hand in hand. You see, it's so much more than just a wipe. It's a small act of kindness to yourself, a little private moment of self-care that gives you comfort. And with that comfort comes confidence to face whatever comes next. So I'll leave you with this thought. How will you find your moment of freshness today? How will you give yourself that little gift of comfort and confidence? It's yours for the taking.